Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Stamp On It, and we are going to do a quick video on one of our new product lines, our GlitterFilm and Vintage Hues card kits. It's a fairly new line for us, so we're going to go ahead and open one of the packages that makes 12 cards and just give you a quick peek at what is inside. So I'm going to open up the kit called Majestic Birds. Each kit contains all of the product that you will need to make at least 12 different cards of varying designs. And that means that they will not all be exactly the same, but they'll be of the same images that are in here and then of different designs. So in the kit we have, first of all, instructions. Detailed line by line instructions on how to make the cards that are in here. We also have a really good video on our website of working with the glitter film, which is what these kits are based on. So I'm going to go down to the bottom here. In this kit are 3 sheets, 12 images of our majestic birds. Then you also have glitter film, 3 sheets. Glitter film is sheets of embedded glitter. They are adhesive backed. They become translucent when you peel the backing off. So you can also, in the future, if you buy our packs online, all these products are also available on our website individually. So you can build your own designs and images as well. But they're adhesive backed, translucent when you peel them, so you can die cut them and do things like that as well. And that's also covered on our video on our website. You also have in the kit 12 cards, matching envelopes, and overlay frames if you wish to use those. You do not need to use them if you don't want to, but they are in the kit if you wish to frame your images. You also have 3 sheets in the glitter film kits. We have 3 sheets of coordinating sticker sheets. Okay. This particular kit, and I'm just going to show you a few samples here, if we can get the camera on it without the glare. Here is just some of the samples made out of this kit. As you can see, they're what I call varying designs. So they're using the same images in the kit, but different ways to use the stickers and so on. This one is not framed, and for example, this one is. So you can see that this has the black overlay on it, this one does not. So you can use them either way, and the instructions will teach you how to do that as well. And also our video online is very informative with our glitter film and so on. And now I'm just going to have the camera pan over some of our other designs that we have laying on the table. We have more than this, but just to give you an idea, this is our tall ships. And I'll turn this one around also so you can see the back side of it. Okay. And then we have this one here is our Autumn 4. And we have a couple of new winter ones coming out as well. Those will be out in the next couple weeks. We have Animals of the Wild. Here is one of our winter Cardinals on a Bench. It's one of our top-selling vintage hue acetates. So we put it in a kit to make it easy, quick, and simple. This is Beach Scenes. Some of them are laying backwards, some are forwards. It just depends. All right, and then if you pan over to this side camera, this is our Paisley print. I'll turn him over. And again, there's 12 images in the kit. So this kit, for example, will have 2 sheets of glitter film or vintage hues in it. So you can make the 12 prints. Here is what we call inspirational, very popular, inspirational butterflies. And for those that love to travel and love the international side, there's Paris. Here's songbirds for the bird lovers. And we have Floral 10 for the gardeners. And over here we also have whimsical owls laying out. And I'll turn this one over as well. So each kit makes 12, at least 12 projects. You will have leftovers so that if you cut your glitter film carefully, you will have extras left over. You could even make potentially additional items or cards. So check us out. Our kits are on our website at www.stamponit.net. We are also at shows. Check our schedule on our website for additional show information. If you have any questions on the kits, you can email us right off from our website as well. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.